Hola, ¿cómo estás? Mi amigas, hermosa, hermoso, señorita, señorita. So, thank you so much to all your support my YouTube channel, which is Andesoi. So, I am surprised for the first time in my whole life that it was happened to me na I am so much shocking because I have 500 I have 710 likes and then 13 comments and 8 shares, and then this is it, guys. The surprise and overwhelming, it's killing me and rekindling for the first time for the entire my whole life. To all my subscribers newly and my YouTube channel, it almost 105. So this is it, guys. I did it my best. So thank you so much to everyone for your support my YouTube channel, to like and sharing my contents, and I am so much blessed and then grateful and thankful for that, because of you, and not only you but everyone, especially to our God. So this is called blessings. When it comes to blessings, not only in material things or financial, but blessings like good health, that is called blessings, and then moral supports, and this is at my contents when it comes to Jesus Christ. This is called blessings. Kumbaga, I wanna sharing my good contents like Jesus Christ, and I wanna share about the gospel of God, that is called blessings. So nagpapasalamat ako sa part na yan dahil na-appreciate nyo yung aking efforts or yung nagawa kong magandang contents. So much thankful and grateful for having like that. It's of us to everyone. Within 2 years, ngayon ko lang na experience yung kung gaano kasarap at gaano kaganda ang ma-experience mo na, oh my God, this is it. Kumbaga, 710 likes. Oh my gosh, first time ko mangyari sa buhay ko. And then 105 subscribers, and then the views is almost 3,000. But the unusual in general terms, it almost 3,890 views. But it's not done because we are waiting at the moment. It almost 3 days before the stop na yung upload ni YouTube. So, kailan yan? Diba? So, it's overwhelming of mine. Star ako sa part na yan. Dahil sa lahat ng nagawa kong contents, so, nagustuhan niya yung aking ginawa. So, it means na-appreciate niyo yung gawa ko. And so much thankful to my all friends, ladies and gentlemen, colleagues, my co-workers here in the social media, and all my apps download, all my platforms here. So much thankful to everyone because of my hard working. Deserve ko yun because of God. because I am so much always alone, because I am so much introverted, even before until now, because it's me. So, mas masaya ako na mag-isa because of my faith, because God is always be there, because He loves me and I love it, and I love it too. My God, kumbaga ganun. Mag-deserve ko yun eh. Uh, wala akong ibang ginawa kundi He is my best friend, He is my daddy, He is my mommy, He is my brother and sisters, etc. and so on and so forth. So, God always knows best for me. Mag-alam niya kung ano yung desire ko sa puso ko. And then, nakita niya yun. So, this is it, guys. Thank you so much. I love the way who I am. I love my job. I love the way I am to be alone. Because that is my hobby. So much thankful and so much appreciation. Which is gracious, the Amaranth of the person, by the power of God in the name of love, in Jesus Christ. Amen. So, see you next soon. I love you all. Thank you. Amen.